Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Slack workflow. Did you know you can automate repetitive tasks inside Slack? That's right. Slack workflows helps you streamline approval, collects updates, or trigger daily check-ins. And all with it without Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Slack workflow. Did you know that you can automate repetitive tasks inside Slack? That's right. Slack workflows helps you streamline approvals, collects updates, or trigger daily check-ins all without code. Perfect for teams managers or solo professionals looking to boost efficiency. Now, let's follow these few simple steps. The first step is to open Workflow Builder. And to do that, just click on your workspace name. It's usually on the top left corner. And then select Tools, then click on Workflow Builder, and then click on Create. Now the second step is to choose a trigger. Now to choose a trigger, choose how the workflow starts. Common triggers are new message in channels, emoji reactions, or schedule, which is either daily or weekly. As for the third step is to add workflow steps. You can add steps like send a message, collect form responses, or post to a channel. For example, daily stand-up workflow, the trigger should be 9 a.m. every weekday, and the first step is to ask the team for daily updates, and the second step is to automatically post responses in hashtag stand-ups. As you can see, this is a repetitive task that will be triggered and will be automated. The fourth step is to test and publish. Run a test to see how it flows and click publish when you're ready. And for the fifth and final step, manage and edit anytime. You can return to Workflow Builder and update triggers, steps, or messages as your needs change. Slack workflows are like your digital assistants inside Slack. They handle routine tasks so you can focus on real work, start simple, and explore powerful automations that fits your team's rhythm. Remember to combine workflows with apps like Google Sheets or Zapier for even more automation options. And that's it. These were some informations and some instructions on how to use Slack workflow. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have furthermore questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next